Crescent Moon Pose. From Downward Facing Dog, inhale, raise your left leg up towards the sky in three-legged dog. Exhale, step the left foot between your hands, coming into low lunge. Bring the top of the back foot and the knee on the floor. Your front knee is over the ankle. Bring your hips forward and straighten your spine. Inhale to lift the body up and sweep your arms up overhead, palms facing each other. Maybe the palms touch. You also have the option of placing your hands on your thigh. Push your abdomen forward, your chest upward, and look up. Hold it here for 5 breaths. Inhale, your chest lifts up. Firm your shoulders on your back. Exhale, gently press the right hip towards the floor. 2. 3. 4. 5. Slowly release, place your hands on the mat, and repeat on the other side.